Or kakain na lang ako ng mabilis. Hey guys, another vlog here, but it's very quick. So first time ko na try berry chia from Starbucks and for gut. It para sa akin helps a little for the gut. Here's how it looks like. Yan. Ayan ang itsura. And then hindi yan maririnig kasi naka-ano yan. So, this is how it looks like. Wag lang matamaan sa aking, ano. Yan. Gusto mo mag-join sa vlog. So, parang meron siyang corn. Siyempre pa, ano, sabi ko, medyo, alam mo yung corn. Ha? Ano? Anong corning? Walang corn? Parang lasang may corn. Hindi matigas. Walang corn. Okay. Oats. Rolled oats. Gusto mo sumama na lang? Hindi ka na. Hindi mo kailangan dyan. Bigyan kita mic. Magsalita ka lang. So,
Anna, please unsubscribe.
hey, huwag kayo ganyan. May chia, may milk, may berry, rolled oats. That's it daw. High fiber. So, inulit ko lang. So, kanina early lunch, 9:30. 9:30. And then, today is 2:45. Well, I decided to do this. Meron lang, ano. And time check. Date check pala. July 21. So, if you're looking sa Starbucks, meron pala dito. And, okay siya. Okay siya. Pwede na to, whole meal na to. Yung iba, breakfast.
Hindi mo dagdagan.
Okay. Pwede dadagan ng ganito? 4 nuts, pwede rin ganyan. Okay. Yun lang. That's my video for today. Or kakain na lang ako ng mabilis. And thanks for subscribing. And then, upload na lang. God bless and keep safe. Bye!